Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the edit page with your timeline ready and a clip or Fusion composition placed where you want inverted text. Open Fusion now and add a Text Plus node, because standard text won't support this method. Type your copy, pick a clear font, and adjust size and tracking so it reads at the intended scale. Once done, connect the Text Plus to the Media Out node and make sure your background or clip is visible behind the text before moving on. Now switch to compositing. Use a bitmap or polygon mask to turn your Text Plus into a matte that precisely covers the letters. Connect that mask to a color corrector or invert node positioned between the background and media out so only masked areas are affected. The key is routing. Pipe your footage or background into the node chain, then use the mask to limit the inversion strictly to the text shape. Make sure blending mode and alpha behavior are set to normal, so edges remain crisp. Finish by adjusting softness and edge feather to avoid halos. Aim for 0 to 2 pixels for most resolutions, so the inversion looks sharp. Once satisfied, render a short section to confirm the inverted color contrast reads well on different displays. If you see artifacts or color shifts, make sure your nodes use the correct premultiplied versus straight alpha setting, and if needed, rebuild the mask with bitmap at higher resolution. One troubleshooting tip: disable GPU effects temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.